If you're considering an all-in-one social media dashboard for your business, there are some key things you need to know before making the purchase. There are plenty of options out there, but not all dashboards are created equal. In this video, we're going to cover the 12 most important aspects you should look for in social media management and analytics software to make an informed decision. By the end, you'll know whether this is the right tool for you, or if there's something better out there. First, let's talk about the ease of use. A great dashboard should be intuitive and easy to navigate. With so many social media management tools, it's common to find complex interfaces that require a steep learning curve. While some dashboards do a good job at streamlining tasks, others are cluttered with features that are hard to find. You'll want something that you can jump into right away without needing to spend hours figuring it out. Some software out there promises ease of use, but often lacks in customization. Next, consider the number of integrations offered. A solid social media management platform should connect seamlessly with all the major networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. But what about those niche platforms? Look for software that allows you to manage not just the big players, but also smaller networks your audience may use. Many tools, like Buffer and Hootsuite, allow for multiple integrations, but can sometimes limit options depending on your plan. The third thing you should consider is scheduling capabilities. A good dashboard should let you schedule posts, but also should provide flexibility with different time zones and automatic post optimizations. Some tools allow for auto-scheduling based on when your audience is most active, while others leave you doing all the work manually. When choosing your platform, ensure the scheduling system fits your needs for different social media platforms. Moving on, you need to evaluate the analytics and reporting features. Every social media manager needs robust reporting tools to track growth, engagement, and performance. Some platforms are great at tracking likes, comments, and shares, but lack in-depth insights. If you rely heavily on analytics to guide your strategy, you need a dashboard that dives deeper, offering audience demographics, ROI, and sentiment analysis. Be sure to check if reports are customizable to your exact needs. The fifth thing is the collaboration tools. If you're working with a team, collaboration is a must. Look for software that allows you to assign roles, leave comments, and approve posts with ease. Tools like Sprout Social are known for their strong collaboration features, but you may find some lesser-known options that also excel in this area. Next, consider the cost. While many social media dashboards have a subscription-based pricing model, the price can vary greatly depending on the number of users and features. Some platforms charge extra for premium features like advanced analytics or additional social profiles. While it may seem tempting to go for the cheapest option, ensure the software you choose has all the necessary features without hidden costs. The seventh thing is customer support. When you run into issues, you need fast and reliable support. Some platforms offer 24/7 chat support, while others only provide email assistance. Always check the reputation of customer service before committing, as some platforms are notorious for poor support. Moving on to the eighth point, automation. Social media management dashboards that allow for automation of posts, replies, and even basic tasks like reporting can save a ton of time. Be sure that the software offers automation options that don't feel too rigid or generic. The best tools offer flexibility, allowing you to customize workflows to your specific needs. Next, let's talk about mobile access. In today's world, being able to manage your social media accounts on the go is essential. Ensure the platform has a fully functional mobile app that lets you schedule posts, check analytics, and engage with followers even when you're away from your desktop. The 10th thing to think about is user permissions. If your social media management tool is part of a larger team effort, you'll need to be able to set different levels of access for team members. This includes giving the right people the ability to publish posts, review analytics, and manage user comments. The 11th thing is scalability. As your business grows, your social media needs will evolve. Ensure the platform can scale with you. Whether you need to add more social profiles or integrate new marketing channels, you'll want a tool that adapts to your growing needs without requiring a major overhaul. Finally, let's talk about security. Make sure the dashboard offers strong security features like two-factor authentication to protect your account